This video tutorial I will explain how to install JDK 22 on Amazon EC2 instance or Linux operating system. Here you can see Amazon AWS console, and here you can see the EC2 instance which is running. Copy this IPv4 address. Using Putty software, log into Amazon EC2 instance. I have successfully logged into Amazon EC2 instance. Open WinSCP. Click on login to log into Amazon EC2 instance. Step 1 is update your Linux system. Before installing JDK 22, it is always good to update your system packages to ensure everything is up to date. To do that, open a terminal on your Linux server. Then to update your package list, run sudo yum update command. To upgrade your packages, run sudo yum upgrade command. Run sudo yum update command. Run sudo yum upgrade command. Step 2 is download JDK 22. For that, visit Oracle JDK download page using this particular link. Then find Linux x64 compressed archive file. It will end with tar.gz. Using wget command, you can directly download the archive file in the Linux server. Here you can see Linux x64 compressed archive. Copy this link address. Currently, I am in EC2 user folder. Using wget command, I am downloading the archive file, and it is successfully downloaded. Here you can see. Here you can see. Step 3 is extract the JDK archive file. After downloading a tar.gz file, extract it to op directory using sudo tar command. Then verify the extraction using ls op directory. There you can see JDK 22 folder. Using sudo tar command, extract the tar file in the op directory. It is done. Check it in the op directory, and here you can see JDK 22 is successfully extracted. Go to root, go to op directory. Here you can see JDK 22 is successfully extracted. Step 4 is set environment variables. To make JDK available system wide, we have to set up environment variables. For that, we have to open the profile file using sudo nano command. Then we have to add the environment variables like Java home and path. Java home should point to JDK 22 folder, and path should point to bin folder of JDK 22. Then save and exit by pressing Ctrl plus X, and press Y to confirm the changes, and enter to save the changes. Then apply the changes to your current session by running this command. Source, then the profile file. Open the profile file using sudo nana command. Come to the end. Then copy paste these two lines, Java home and path. Control X. Then press Y. Then enter. The changes are saved. To apply the changes to the current session, run this command, source, then the profile file. Step 5 is verify the installation. For that, check Java version. To ensure Java JDK 22 has been successfully installed, you have to run this command, java-version. Then you will see the output similar like this. Then check Java compiler version by running java c-version command. Run the command java-version, and here we got the output. And here you can see Java version 22.0.1 is successfully installed. Run this command to check the Java compiler version, and it is 22.0.1. Step 6 is optional, which is set JDK 22 as default. If you have multiple versions of Java installed in the Linux server, then you want to set JDK 22 as the default, then use the following two commands. To set JDK 22 as a default Java version, then you have to run these two commands. When you run these two commands, it will show list of JDK installed in the Linux server. From that, you have to choose JDK 22. In this Linux server, only JDK 22 is installed, so you are seeing only one JDK version. So the conclusion is, you have now successfully installed JDK 22 on your Linux server, and you are ready to start developing and running Java application using JDK 22 version. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button, and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.